Your 20s are one of the most important decades for building wealth. The financial decisions you make now can affect your future for years to come. The good news? You don't need a six-figure salary to get ahead. You just need to avoid some common money mistakes.
The first mistake is living beyond your means. Many people increase their spending every time their income goes up. A bigger paycheck often leads to a bigger apartment, a newer car, or more expensive shopping. But if your lifestyle grows as fast as your income, you'll never build real wealth. Instead, try to save or invest part of every raise before increasing your spending. The second mistake is not having an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. A medical bill, car repair, or sudden job loss can happen at any time. Without savings, many people rely on credit cards and end up paying high interest for months or even years. Aim to build an emergency fund that covers at least 3 to 6 months of essential expenses.
Another costly mistake is carrying credit card debt. Credit cards can be useful when managed responsibly, but high-interest debt can quickly become overwhelming. Always pay your balance on time, and if possible, pay it in full every month. Interest charges can erase the value of any rewards you earn. Many people also delay investing because they think they don't earn enough money, but time is one of the most powerful tools in investing. Even small, consistent investments can grow significantly through compound growth over the years. Starting early is often more important than investing large amounts later in life.
Ignoring your credit score is another mistake that can become expensive. A good credit score can help you qualify for lower interest rates on loans, better credit card offers, and even improve your chances of renting an apartment. Paying bills on time and keeping your credit utilization low are simple habits that can make a big difference. Another common mistake is buying things to impress other people. Social media often creates pressure to appear successful, but expensive clothes, luxury cars, and the latest gadgets rarely build long-term wealth. Focus on financial security instead of keeping up with appearances.
Many people also underestimate the importance of learning about money. Schools often don't teach personal finance, so it's your responsibility to understand budgeting, saving, investing, taxes, and debt. Reading books, listening to financial podcasts, and following reliable educational content can improve your financial decisions for the rest of your life. Finally, don't assume you'll start saving later. Every year you wait is a year your money loses the opportunity to grow. Building wealth isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about making smart decisions consistently over time. Your 20s aren't about being perfect. They're about building good habits. Avoid these common money mistakes, stay patient, and give your money time to work for you. The choices you make today can create financial freedom for decades to come.